Namaste friends. Welcome to this fascinating new web series, Music and Meditation, being brought to you on the PMC channels, created by Pyramid Music Meditation Academy and telecast by PMC channels. This first of a kind music plus meditation concerts are unique in the fact that they bring both music and meditation to each one of us. Brahmarshi Patriji introduced this new concept of combining music and meditation to help us go deep within ourselves. Both music and meditation help us go beyond our mind, help us silence our mind. Especially instrumental music, classical music has that quality of not having to engage our mind to analyze the lyrics or analyze the words. Both we've heard of soulful music, and meditation exactly also gets us, when we go beyond our mind, it helps us be with our soul, with ourselves. And all of us know music is nothing but a set of sound frequencies, which is nothing but certain set of vibrations at certain frequencies that impact our physical and energy signature. And meditation in there allows our mind to be calmer so that our energy flows become normal, get regulated. So this combination of the physics of sound via the music and the chemistry of our body and our mind, our soul, this particular combination along with what happens in the brain and body helps us, people appreciate music a lot more, helps us feel music a lot more. Both are transformational. Both music and meditation are transformational. This powerful, potent combination of both music and meditation help us realize that. So friends, enjoy the experience of this unique combination of the science of music and the science of meditation in this unique program. Thanks to all the musicians, all the creators who are bringing this program, and thanks to the PMC channels for telecasting this. And it's all for all of us to sit back and enjoy. Please share with your friends and family. Please promote both music and meditation amongst your circles. Thank you.